beginning, the origin of black magic.
Before science, before religion, there was belief. Belief in unseen forces.
For centuries, humanity tried to control what it could not understand.
From sacred temples to hidden tombs, whispers of forbidden power began to spread. Tonight, we uncover a story older than kings and gods. Welcome to Ancestra, where history meets the unknown.
Our story begins in Mesopotamia, New Tuan, the cradle of civilization.
Clay tablets spoke of rituals to summon, to heal, and to curse.
The boundary between prayer and command began to blur. To control nature, early humans called upon unseen spirits. And thus, the first shadow of black magic was born. Power no longer asked for permission, it demanded obedience.
Magic, sign, once divine kind, was slowly turning dark.
And mankind learned to speak with the unseen.
In Egypt, magic had a name, Heka.
It was believed to be the force that held the universe together.
But in secret halls, forbidden spells were spoken.
Words of power, capable of bending fate itself. Some texts from the Book of the Dead spoke of commands for the afterlife. Only the bravest whispered them in tombs of kings. Egypt we know, a land where light and shadow danced as one.
And the occult found its first throne.
In Babylon, magic took form as power, averro, and danger.
Ashipu and Kashapu summoned forces from beyond.
They no longer prayed to spirits. They commanded them. These tablets describe rituals to burn witches, to destroy curses.
For the first time, humans sought to defy the gods.
And claim divine power as their own. Thus began the era of true black magic.
In Greece, magic became philosophy, a question of morality.
Necromancy, the art of speaking with the dead, was born. Persian mystics studied light and shadow, the balance of creation. They believed evil existed to define the good.
And these ideas spread Fezzi through empires into Europe.
But the West feared what it could not explain.
so knowledge was hidden or burned.
And the shadow only grew darker.
By the Middle Ages, fear ruled the world.
Grimoires promised forbidden power at a terrible price.
Legends spoke of pacts with demons, sealed in darkness.
The church hunted what it called heresy.
What it truly feared was knowledge. Thousands perished, yet the whispers never stopped. Because darkness cannot be destroyed. It only hides doubt, waiting to be found again.
Today, black magic lives in myths, symbols, and stories.
But its roots lie deep within human curiosity.
The desire to control what we fear most.
Maybe magic was never evil, only misunderstood.
Because to understand history is to understand ourselves.
The shadows never die.